Hi, James with the 1hoursmarthome.com, and today we're going to show you how to change the battery on the Ring security system window and door sensor. So I've got one right here. This is the magnetic part here, so you actually don't need to worry about that. And you can either remove the brains of the window and door system, the Ring security system window and door sensor, from the wall, or you can do it while it's on the wall. Okay, so take a look at this here, and you can see the back. It will just slide on and off on those hooks, or you could leave it there. And how you need to change this battery is there's a little tab up here at the top. So I've just got this pin right here, but you could use a pencil or a pen, and you just need to press down, and that's going to remove the cover from the Ring security system sensor. And then all you're gonna have to do is just pull the battery out right here, okay? And these use CR123A batteries, and they last a couple of years, but eventually you're gonna have to replace them. So that is all you do to replace it. You just pull it in and out like that. We've got links to the recommended battery brand that we recommend for these below from Amazon, so you can just pick those up right there. But it is a CR123A industrial lithium battery, and we've even found the exact ones from Panasonic, so you can put in the original batteries for your Ring window and door security system sensor. And then once you've got the battery in, so I'll just do that one more time. It's just a little spring down here. You can see that. You just put this in like so. You'll see the light up typically. And to put the cover back on, you actually just want to go from the bottom like this. So you can see the little tab at the top. You put it on the bottom, and then just give that a little push to get it in there. And there we are, all back together. So that is how you change the batteries on a Ring security system sensor, the window and door sensors for the Ring alarm system. Highly recommend this system. Great little security system and great way to protect your home. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, please subscribe, and we will see you next time. Thank you.